Hello friends, this is Sharmi again with the Amateur Gardener. We have planned to plant several dahlias today. I think I have around 21 of them. I ordered my dahlias from Eden Brothers this year. So I recently got a big box of them. I'll put the varieties online. I think I got a 90 days of dahlias long lasting mix. There are 6 tubers in these. Um, then I got dinner plate bridal bouquet mix. What else? I have decorative Shirley mix and ball and decorative pink mix. So it's a total of 21 tubers. I think one has 6 and the rest have 5 in them. So we'll be planting in our new bed. We call it the triangle bed. It's kind of shaped like an odd triangle, more like a trapezium, but I'll stick to triangle. Bed, and it's the same bed where we planted the smoke tree. We also have hydrangea tree, which is like the limelight hydrangea. Also planted the smoke tree. Have a couple of Munstead woods that I planted this year. Another rose, I think it's Mark Chagall or something like that. And then I planted recently an Emily Bronte that are all of them are starting to leaf out. At the other far end of the bed, we have honeysuckle. We have the Proven Winners honeysuckle. It's the yellow and whitish colored. And we have a whole bunch of dahlias here. Some of them are just beginning to bloom. Others are just beginning to pop their heads out of the soil. So we'll have some color here very soon, a lot of much needed color. The bed is actually quite large. Let me get around to show you the bed. Here, as you can see, we have already made some holes here. We'll be using this auger and wanted to show you how we can stand and dig holes. That should be enough for us. The soil here is really like mostly compost and organic matter and nice like loose soil. So it's really easy. So let's get going and I'll show you how it goes. So my husband is actually helping me today. So he'll be digging the holes for me and later on I'll come and pop in the dahlias. again. So there, I shared with you how I plant my Dahlia tubers. This is a new bed, so I'm starting from scratch in this bed. So I got like about 21 tubers. Apparently there were like 23 plants in them total. So it's good. I'm not complaining. Once again, these were from Eden Brothers. But that's not the only place I order from usually, but this last year I did. Um, and I have ordered from Dahlias from them in the past, and it's worked for me. Um, Okay, I did not notice any signs of disease or gall or whatever you call it on any of the tubers. Some of them did look a little bit dry than usual, so they looked more desiccated. But I think there were tubers on it that were okay and they should sprout. From now on, I am not going to be watering these dahlias at all until I see signs of green growth from them, like kind of springing up from the ground. But other than until then, these dahlias come up, I'm going to enjoy my daffodils. My tulips are almost, I mean, they're still blooming pretty well, but they should be done in a couple of weeks. But the daffodils haven't even like started. They're just, some of them are just sprouting up from the ground. So we'll enjoy them for several more weeks, probably months. If you do like my video, please hit like and subscribe. That helps me and gives me more enthusiasm to kind of come up with more videos. Let me know what else you would like to see. Um, Next week, probably, or maybe tomorrow, we'll see. I'll do a garden tour with some drone pictures. We just put compost and it's starting to come together and look really nice. Still a little barren. None of the fruit trees have any leaves. None of them, a few of them maybe having some little flowers, like little buds, one or two. Maybe the apricot has a couple, but that's pretty much it. So once these trees come in full bloom, then I can think like spring is here. But the drone pictures that I'll share, I'll try to put at least one set of drone pictures over every month to see how the progression of the garden. And then my garden, as I said, is fairly new. It's only like about 3.5 years old. So it's evolving. There are some plants that were planted earlier, but that's not when I was really gardening. I just found out something that I really liked and I bought it and home and I planted it. So um, ah, that's pretty much it for today. Until my next video, bye bye.